Where am I? What the fuck is this place and why am I here? This guy just wanted to sell me something. I really don't want to record drug dealers here. Otherwise, I'll be a dead man. I have never seen this many people doing drugs in one place. Welcome to Colombia, guys. Welcome to Medellin.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Do it! Just do it!
Hola, buenas. Oh yeah, they really love reggaeton. They even play it here on the metro station. Interesting, interesante. Holy fuck, is this beautiful. But also, we are the only two person who left and got off at this station. I have no idea if this has anything to mean. Hopefully not. Alrighty. There is not much going on here. And if you ask why I'm here, I can't even tell you. I have no clue. I just hopped on the metro and got off in an orange area. But let's see. It looks quite boring though. Nothing, no one around, no street food, no tiendas, no nada. Bro, what is this? I think more than 2 million people live here. How is it possible that it's so empty? What the fuck? I mean, it's 5 p.m. Hola, buenas. Hola, buenas. Yeah, guys, this actually really sucks. Way too many homeless people in this country. Look at this. Yep. As soon as you leave the touristy hotspots, you see unlimited homeless people on the streets. It's terrible. What the fuck is this? I have never seen this before in Europe. Guys, we have those things, but we don't have those things. Hola, buenas. Oy. This looks like an area where, I don't know, they fix things like cars and shit. But also, it looks like an area where no tourists go at all. Like, literally, never at all. I mean, not even the locals are here. No one is here except for me and some hardworking Colombian people. What the fuck? Where am I? Yeah, this is all about cars and motorcycles. Same as this. This must be from a bus or something. Jesus. Yo, they literally fix those cars in middle of the road. In middle. Like on the side. What the fuck? They even painted it. They even did paint it here. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Todo bien? So, what direction next? Hola, buenas.
Amigo, buenas. Pesado.
Buenas, ¿qué tal? Huh? Yeah, trying to say hi to people, but I don't know. Maybe it's because it's Sunday evening. But they don't seem that friendly, to be honest. Like, they barely even say hi to me when I say hi. What the fuck is this place and why am I here, guys? What the fuck? Jumping around oily lakes and shit. Vamos por acá, no? Ándale. There's nothing. There's literally nothing here except for working people and cars. Damn. Hola, ¿qué tal? Oh, we got a cutie rat over there. She had some fish in her mouth. Yeah, guys, I'm completely lost. Like, I'm in the middle of nowhere, aka Medellin. Yeah, this definitely is not the safest area. Yo, this is an open truck. It's open, guys. It's literally open. Never seen this before. Fuck. Poor ears. We are here in the middle of the streets of Medellín, Colombia. Hola, buenas. Igualmente, gracias, gracias. Hola, buenas.
Buenas.
¿Qué se vende?
Butifarras, palitos, panzerotti.
Ajá. ¿Hay bebidas?
No, haciendo
¿Agua?
jugos.
¿Jugos de?
Guanábana, maracuyá.
Ajá.
Jugo
Uno
natural.
de guanabana, por favor. Chiquito.
Mira, hacen chichi, güey.
Ah, gracias. Es un fruto, ¿verdad?
Sí, fruta.
Ajá. Jugo de guanabana.
Todo por eso.
Una preguntita. ¿Qué pasa acá? ¿Está muy tranquilo? ¿No hay nadie aquí?
Domingo, festivo.
Ah, por eso.
Sí.
Ajá.
Hoy es domingo.
Si no hay más. Pero, ¿estás seguro? ¿Por acá?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí, sí.
Ok.
¿Hacia dónde vas?
Ah, un paseo.
Acá, de vueltón.
Sí, para, no sé, paseando. ¿Qué precio tiene?
2000.
¿2,000?
Sí, no, relajado y no que se ve solo, muy solo porque hoy es festivo, domingo.
Ah, mañana pero también, ¿no? Es
Un día de fiesta.
Puente.
Ah, sí, puente.
Exacto.
Un día de
Aquí
fiesta.
tiene. Gracias. Ok, entonces, feliz tarde.
Está muy bien, caballero.
Gracias. Jesus, this is fucking tasty. This tastes more like banana than everything else. I'm not quite sure what guanabana is. I have to look it up on Google for you. But I can tell you, for 50 cents, this is fucking delicious. It tastes like banana, a little bit of horchata, the Mexican drink, and actually it tastes a lot like banana. Ay, but still freaking delicious. I like it. One of the most famous drinks here in Colombia. Juice of guanabana. Guanabane? Bro, there's no one here. What the fuck? What is this? And why are they covered? Ah! I can imagine this must be a market if it wasn't Sunday. Yeah. This must be a market normally, usually. Not at this moment though. Have to come back when it's open. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Hay la media de Starlight?
Media de Starlight
La
vale
pequeña.
4.000.
4,000, ¿me das una, por favor? Gracias.
Gusto.
¿Te lo puedo dejar? Bro, this place is loco as fuck. Bro, what is this place? I already saw like one woman doing meth and two male humans doing coke. What the fuck? And like 700 prostitutes. Guys, this is lovely. I love it. I have a feeling that the amount of homeless people equals the amount of female prostitution here, which is, I don't know, two huge problems of this country. Yeah, this guy just wanted to sell me something. I think he recognized the camera and he aborted the mission. Fair enough. I really don't want to record drug dealers here. Otherwise, I'll be a dead man. Bro, what the fuck is this? This is literally people selling rubbish and trash. Yeah, 200%. This is insane. I mean, this is a huge amount of rubbish and trash. Yeah, look at this. Holy fucking guacamole. Jesus, this place is anarchy. What is this? Holy fucking guacamole. Heck yeah. People here are really suffering, guys. But I'm quite sure if you're lucky and patient enough, you might find some vintage clothing treasures. Pretty sure. Jesus. Yep. This is what happens. They come here to find things they're about to sell like 20 meters this way. Oh, this dog is sick. His caca is very green. ¿Sabes? ¿Se vende cervecita?
Pilsen, el águila.
La mejor. Y la Pilsen. ¿Y la central? ¿Se llama central? ¿Esa no?
The better is Pilsen.
Pilsen.
The better is the best.
¿Verdad?
Pilsen.
Para ti no, la Águila.
Águila.
¿Pilsen también?
Águila, I don't want.
No. Entonces voy a probar Pilsen.
This is
Debe
Paisa.
Pilsen.
¿Sí?
Paisa.
Ah.
Here, de Antioquia.
Ah, muy bien.
Yes.
Ok, voy a probar.
Prefer this beer, the Coors Light in the United States.
¿The what? The
Coors Light.
Coors Light es el nombre. Así se llama. Ah,
This is better. I
¿era
like
mejor?
Yes.
Ay, ok. Pero, ¿se venden en lata también?
it. Yes.
Ah, ok, muy bien. 500. 500. 500. ¿Hablas muy bien inglés?
I forgot.
Ah. ¿Ya pediste? ¿Sí? ¿Yo?
Why?
Ay, disfruta.
Bien.
Muy bien. Sí. ¿Tú también?
No, suave.
Suave.
Medio entiendo.
Ah, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Jorvi.
Yorvin. Un gusto, Yorvin. Iván. Ah, sería una Pilsen, porfa. ¿En lata, sí?
Regala una pizza en lata.
Ajá.
Epa.
Sí. ¿Qué precio tiene?
4 pesos.
Ah, gracias.
Compré una.
Hasta luego. Disfruta, nos vemos. Igual. Alrighty, let's have a look. Pilsen de Colombia with 4% of alcohol. Lina! Yeah, it's a good beer, honestly. I also assume that drinking in public shouldn't be a problem down here. I think there are some other problems. They replace the laws with some problems. This is what happened down here. Jesus. Honestly, I mean, I have already been to Frankfurt and the train station and the central train station, but still, I have never seen this many people doing drugs in one place. Right. But still quite peaceful. I haven't seen any violence yet. Only drugs and drug people. Yeah, but they're only for decoration here. Or to make things worse, I guess. I'm being followed. Yay. Here we go. Welcome to Colombia, guys. Welcome to Medellin. We got some cops here. Well, we got a car. I don't know if we got cops here, but we have a police car. Parque Berrio. El Parque Berrio. Honestly, I tried Aguila. I'm trying this one. And my honest opinion, Aguila, that one beer that has the colors of the Colombian flag, is way better than this one. I mean, this is a decent beer, but Aguila, I prefer Aguila.